What's up, YouTube? I'm at one of our new pool builds in Republic, Missouri. Really awesome family that is getting a Lazy L. That's a pool that's kind of rectangular but turns at a 45 degree. It is going to have a tanning ledge and stairs over here, followed by a nice shallow end and turning into the deep end. But we got into an absolute disaster. And I will tell you, in my 15, 16 years of pool building, it's the worst rock we've ever hit. Missouri has what we call karst topography. Means we have very rocky clay. It's pretty stable. It's generally a good substrate to build on, but we do get into just pure limestone sometimes and requires breaking. We always have a rock clause in our contract, but it's very rare that it comes into effect closer to the surface than 6 or 7 feet down. So when we hit it, it's usually not that bad. But come check out what we got into. My buddy Paris has been breaking on this pool for a week and a half. Really sucks to have to tell a customer that they've hit this kind of rock. I mean, if you look at this down here, this is an 8-foot deep end. So we have a 9-foot deep hole, and that rock is about 2 feet over my head. And there's gonna be a bit of a retaining wall there. So I mean, this hole has ended up on this side over 10 feet deep to get down here. We'll bring rock back in today. It's funny, you got to pay to get rid of rock and you got to pay to bring it back in. But really stinks, but it's going to be an awesome pool. And we're past that. That's always the only unknown. We always hit our numbers on pools, except excavation. If we hit rock that requires special equipment, there's obviously a clause for that. But I'll be heading out. I'm heading to Spain tomorrow to the pool show, then to Dubai. I'll be back in December. Hopefully Battle has this one pretty much. They're going to get the rock ready today. Marcus is going to pour the floor for them, and then they're going to come here and set the walls. That'll probably all get done while I'm gone. So I'll bring you guys more content after that on this pool. It's a no auto cover or anything on this one. Pretty simple vinyl liner. And we're going to get this one basically ready for the liner in the winter, drop it in the spring, or we'll throw our tent over it and get the liner in so it's completely ready to rock when it warms up. But yeah, a little bit unfortunate, guys, but a beautiful setting. I'm going to go shoot a little video at a rental at remodel that we've got a training on in December. And then I'm going to hit the road. See you guys next time.